have a video of a Triumph Tiger 90. I absolutely love this bike. As you'll see from the video, excuse me. She does drip a bit of oil. Look. I don't know many that don't really. It leaves a mark. So if you look at the other video, you'll see I was riding this the other day with my little dog. She absolutely loves it. And I went to go to start it, and now look. I think it's the return springs come off. So there will be a video of me repairing that. But she's in nice condition. Has had a restoration. Come off of a really lovely gentleman. Really lovely. I think it took him about 18 months to decide that he was ready to part with it. I'm taking the mirrors off and putting sort of 60s styles, one sort of just one mirror on. It has like the hockey stick set up. So there you go. One Triumph Tiger 90, 1965. He's actually done it really nicely, really. Sounds gorgeous when she goes down the road. There'll be a little video soon of a tiger cub 200, so look out for that one. Okay, there you go.